Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the task subject quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To start the task subject quest or mission, you need to talk to the Scientist NPC. You can go to this area and then talk to the scientist. And then you can click on do you have any quest? And it will automatically start the quest. And I'm going to show you the quest. Okay, and this is the quest details. You need to catch one Darwin clownfish, catch one Barracuda fish, and catch one dogfish. And you will be rewarded this luck 2 potion. And to complete this quest, guys, basically you just need to do fishing on the Fisherman Island because all these fishes are from the Fisherman Island. Let me show you the fish index. Okay, the Barracuda fish, and then the dogfish, and Darwin clownfish. You can catch them all right here on the Fisherman Island. Just do fishing anywhere that you like on the Fisherman Island to catch all the fishes. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the scientist quest or the task subject quest in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.